Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on tap to wake on iPhone. To turn on the tap to wake on iPhone, it's very simple to do. And the first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up the settings app on your iPhone. As you can see, this is the settings app on this device. So once you open up your settings, I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down, I want you to tap on accessibility. So once you tap on accessibility, I want you to scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down a little bit, I want you to tap on touch. So once you tap on touch, I want you to scroll down a little bit. If you check the middle here, you can see where it says tap to wake. So to enable this tap to wake, you just want to check the front and tap on it. Just make sure it is showing green. Once the tap to wake is showing green, this means you have successfully turned it on. So guys, this is how to actually turn on the tap to wake on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.